I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right in Settings so you stop Google Photos from restoring into Gallery. First, open Settings and tap Apps, then find Gallery or Google Photos depending on which app shows images in your gallery. Once done, make sure you're using an account with permission to change app defaults. This avoids surprises. You're preparing both the app context and the correct account, so the next steps, changing defaults and storage behavior, actually take effect immediately. Now, turn off automatic backups in Google Photos because backups sync thumbnails into the gallery. Go to Photos, Menu, Settings, Backup and Sync, and switch it off. Next, return to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Gallery and clear any open by default or associations so the system stops pulling Photos thumbnails into your gallery view. Once done, force stop the apps or clear cache to remove cached thumbnails. This ensures the system stops restoring previously synced images into your native gallery. Finish by removing any residual synced files that trigger restoration. Use Files or a file manager to delete. No media flags or leftover thumbnail folders, and sign out any extra Google accounts that might still sync. Once done, reboot the device to let media scans refresh and confirm Gallery only displays local images. If images reappear, check Photos account sync settings and revoke Photos permission to access storage as a troubleshooting step. Then re-enable only what you want to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.